Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katy and this is my son Hunter. Can you say hi? Say hi. His little head's just going to be on the bottom here because I try to get the camera angled okay and have everything look okay, and I'm realizing that it's a little lopsided. Okay, so as you saw by the title, today I'm going to be unboxing the Ofra mystery box. And I'm so excited for this. This was only $20, I'm pretty sure. I'm kind of spacing. I think it was $19.99. I'll put the price up right here on the screen for you guys. But Hunter loves being in my videos, and he'll probably be talking a little bit. If you guys haven't seen me do some unboxings with him, definitely go check that out because he is definitely a little talker, and he like I said, loves just chatting and stuff. He takes after his mom. But anyway, I did want to say that, sorry, you're going to sit right here, Bubba. I didn't get just one box. I got 2 boxes. So one for me, one for you. We're going to be going through both just to see what the difference is. And the stuff that I don't really see myself using, I'll put back in the box, and then I'm going to give it to one of you guys. So yeah, if you're interested to see what's in the Ofra mystery box, and if they are still available, I will link that down below for you guys and let you know. I just wanted to say real fast that I do have a handful of giveaways going on my channel right now. I just love giving back to y'all who actually like watching my channel, who have been supporting me. It means so much. And for like Christmas season, for like holiday season, I just want to give back. And yeah, I'm going to stop chit-chatting and we're just going to see what's in this box. If you guys want to see what's in the box, then just keep watching. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to get him situated. I know he's not in the... He's squirming. You squirmy bug. Here, can you stand up and show him how big you're getting? Say hi. Hi. Hi! We're going to open this puppy up, and it says, thank you for shopping with Ofra. Ooh! Okay. I already see something I'm very excited about. So, I think you're supposed to get 5 to 6 full-size products. So I'm going to set this box over here. And the first thing that I see is this. This is the Ofra Midi Palette Spiced Velvet. Ooh, be spiced to perfectly golden in this trio of velvety smooth cheekbone hugging highlights. Yes! Woohoo! 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 I have been wanting this for so long. Now guys, I have the one that's combined that Nikki Tutorials did. The collab with, so it's like all mixed together. But the fact that I got this, oh my gosh, I am so excited. I will do swatches for you guys and everything. But this just looks absolutely stunning, and I'm so excited for that. Next up, when I open the box, this is the first thing that I saw. This is absolutely stunning. And this is the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And this color is just, oh my gosh. Now guys, I did have to tell you, I don't own, ooh, and it smells good. I don't own anything from Ofra besides that one highlight that I just mentioned. So I'm really excited. Actually, I think I own a lipstick, but look how gorgeous that is. So pretty. I can see myself wearing this and Matt just being like, oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. So pretty. Can you drop something? Alright, next up is this right here, which is, I wish it came with a little card, but it didn't. This just says truffle on it, so I'm not quite sure if this is yeah, it's definitely a lipstick. Well, it's a lip gloss, and it smells pretty good. So it's kind of like a brownish lip gloss. But really, it's really pretty. I like that. So far, everything in here is amazing. Alright, next up I got this right here. This is the banana powder. And this stinks because yellow powders just do not look good on me. So I feel like this is for sure going to be something that I will stick in a giveaway. Not sure if the other box or bag box does not come with this. I'll stick this in there. And then we have the Ofra Cleanse It Off. You love your glam, but you also love taking it off. And this is 100% cotton lip wipes. Oh, cool. So is it just made for your lips? You love your liquid lippies, but you also love taking them off. Settle in for a makeup-free night by gently removing lipstick and lip stains with this 100% cotton wipes. I'm made with aloe vera. This wipe will never leave lips feeling dried out and is the perfect lip refresher when you're taking your glam from day to night. Now that is so cool because a lot of the time I know that it's hard to get liquid lipsticks off. So yeah, I think Hunter just saw the candle and he loves blowing out. He loves blowing out candles. Okay. Yeah, we'll blow it out in just a minute, okay? Just a minute. All right, last but not least, what's in this box is this Madison Miller blush in All You Need Is Love. Okay, this is very pretty. It's a very like pinky kind of orangey blush, one that I definitely see myself wearing. So super excited about this. I love getting these mystery boxes because it's something that I can like expand my makeup collection and use things that I have normally not used, you know, and this blush is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm opening Hunter a little eyeshadow palette, so you'll probably be seeing him do his little makeup. I know you can only see his head right now. Okay, so for the first box, absolutely love it. I am so shocked by it. I seriously just think that for $19.99, it was such an amazing box. I'm down. So we're going to open up this next one. I kind of think it would be cool if they actually did a cute little outside packaging that said like Ofra mystery box or something, you know. Alright, now I'm going to open up this one. This one definitely comes with a few different things in it. It comes with this cute little brush set, so that's very cute. I didn't know that Ofra had their own little brush sets, but I will be I won't be keeping this myself. I'll be putting this in the giveaway box. Then I see this right here. This is another blush, it looks like. And this blush is in the shade Mai Tai. Yeah. And it is oh my gosh. That looks gorgeous. It's definitely a lot brighter of a color than the one that I got. Yeah, they're definitely different, but I know that I will use the darker one for sure. So this one, you'll probably need a very light hand, but that is one that I'll be sticking in the giveaway as well. Also, I'll be sticking these right here. It's the same thing. The lipstick wipes. I'll be putting that in that box. And then I see this right here. This is the Ofra Madison Miller lip gloss. Now, guys, I am obsessed with lip gloss, so I'm sorry, but I'm stealing this one. I am going to swatch this. This is a very pinky lip gloss, and it smells so good. I'm so excited to get this. It is just a very pretty, like, pinky color, but I love lip glosses. Okay, this right here is an Ofra lip gloss in Love. Now, I won't keep this one for myself. I will give you guys this one for the giveaway. I think it's got one of the, squeezy top things to it. And then, last but not least, guys, you want up? Oh my gosh, this kid looks like he contoured his whole face. You guys get this right here, and this is the highlight in Star Island. And I'm pretty sure this is the same exact one that comes in the other pan, and I do have one that is exactly like this. It's so hard to give this away because this highlight is like absolutely one of my favorites, and it is gorgeous. So you guys are getting one of these. And that was it. That was in that box. Now, I will show you guys what box you will be getting. Come here. Okay, so everything that you're going to be getting in this box, I will do up closes right here for you guys. So you'll be getting the Ofra banana powder. And banana powder, you guys, you can use this as like a press powder to set your eyeshadow underneath your eyes. It will brighten up your under eyes and all that. So you have that. Whoa! All right, next up, you will be getting this gorgeous highlight. Like I said, this is in Star Island. Very gorgeous. You'll be getting the Ofra lip gloss in Love. You'll be getting the liquid lipstick makeup wipes. Then you'll be getting the gorgeous Ofra blush in Mai Tai. And last but not least, you'll be getting the cute little brush set. So you guys got a really cool little box that you could possibly win. Now let me tell you guys the rules right here, and I will let you know them down below in the description box. You must be subscribed to me, guys. I will definitely be checking, make sure your channel is active. This is US only. Make sure you like this video, and let's see here. What else would I like you to do? I would like for you to comment down below how you found my channel. Now, if you found if you can't really remember, if you've been saying I've been an OG for however long, I know a few of you guys have been an OG for so long, and that's totally fine. Just kind of think of a video that made you come to my channel. If you found this video from just the giveaway portion, let me know that down below. And you also, the last rule, you also have to be active on my channel, because I only like doing these giveaways for people who are active. So I really do check that, guys. So what I'll do is I'll go through a comment picker on Google, and I get all your comments, and then I put it into the comment. Well, I get the URL, put it in the comment picker. It'll pick your comments, and then you'll pick one comment, and I'll go to that comment and look at that person who entered, and I will go to a few of my previous videos and a few of my videos that were after this until the giveaway ends, and see if you have liked my video or even commented, because like I said, I would like this to go to somebody who's actually active on my channel, who actually likes watching me, and who likes seeing this cute little face right here. Huh? Cute little fish. Cute little fish. Hunter and I, can you say bye? Say bye. Bye. Look at his face. He's playing with some eyeshadow. Hunter and I love you guys so, so much, and I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday season. Thanksgiving's coming up, and I am so excited. Then it's Christmas. I'm so excited. Hunter's birthday's coming up. It's December 15th. And, yeah. Happy holidays, guys. I hope you are excited for this giveaway and all my other giveaways. I actually have another one coming up after this as well. So like I said, stay tuned. Be active. You can totally win some amazing things. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Woo! Toodaloo.
Yeah.